it's Kisui, and today we'll be talking about your PvP system and how exactly does it work. So essentially all of you guys have probably been playing a little bit of PvP ever since the season came out last week, and you've been ranking, etc. and accruing points. But exactly how do you get the points, and what exactly do all the first, second, fourth, seventh limit actually mean in the PvP vendor? Well, today we will be talking through you over it. So over here, if you press Alt-K, you bring up your PvP info, and as you can see, I placed a tier 9, and the very first week that you play PvP, the actual highest limit you can get is limit 1, which essentially you need to place a top percentile. So over here, you can kind of just go into tier score, and then you can go check view all, and then press this little cross button over here, plus button, and then see there's like a lot of different percentiles over here that you can accumulate. So everyone at the start, if you did play enough PvP, you get a max rank of tier 1. So that was what everyone was at last week, and then there's like a percentile that you have to reach according to your XP base over here in your rank over here. And then see, okay, exactly where do you place in your server. So because I didn't manage to get the top 0.3%, I wasn't able, or 0.3% over here, 71k, I wasn't able to get the first limit. So you can see the required XP for it. In order to get first limit from tier 1 at the first week, you had to place in the top 0.3%. So anything above 0.3%, you are able to get that first limit. Anything under, well, you get placed into the lower tiers like what I did. So exactly what does that mean? So how do you get points? So all you have to do is just honestly play a lot of PvP, get MVP bonus, playing honestly a lot during favorite time during the weekends. And you can just click the question mark over here and it says how many points do you get, and you have to kind of go on the ranking ladder. It just really depends on how much you play honestly to get your points. It really isn't anything you have to zoom, because it will always accumulate every week. But basically what happens is current XP, so I got 47.749 XP. What does that mean? I placed in the top 5% during last week. So what does this weekly estimate mean? This case means that I placed in 1.46%. So if you go over here, 1 to 3% over here, I will get this amount of XP. You just add them up, and then the tier maintenance cost is what they subtract in order for you to stay in your specific tier. And that's your final XP estimate over there. And then if you go look into your tier info, the 95k already says over here in the rank change info at the bottom, that says I will be in second limit after the reset if I were to maintain the top 1.46%. Of course, you can just play as much, but this is a little TLDR of your PvP info and how to basically get your first limit and up to extreme, but you just need to play, and it's just a lot of games to get the top percentile, but I think you guys got it, and wish you best of luck, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.